Welcome back to my online class. My dear all students, how are you now? Staying home? I think you are well by the grace of the Almighty. I am also well. You know, COVID-19 is now pandemic globally. During these circumstances, we have started online class as our government directions. Now today I am showing you an online class. I am MD Faruk Hossain Forhad, Assistant Professor of English, Sarsha Upazilla College, Sarsha, Jashore. My dear all students, now let's see in the another slide. Introduction of the lesson. Today, class 11, unit 8, lesson 5. Today date is 26 July 2020. Now let's see. Let's see some pictures. Here we see a picture or image. Another picture. Another picture. So do you think why I am showing you these three images or pictures? Please think about it. Yes. Announcement of today's lesson. Kuakata, daughter of the sea. Learning outcomes. My dear all students, you will be able to tell the meaning of some words, tell about the location of Kuakata, tell about the unique features of Kuakata, describe the traditional values of Kuakata. Now let's see in the next slide. Here we see the map of Kuakata. So now let's see the location of Kuakata. Kuakata, locally known as Sagarkonna, is a rare scenic spot located on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. It is in Latachapli Union under Kolapada police station of Patuakhali district. Is about 30 km in length and 6 km in breadth. It is 70 km from Patuakhali district headquarters and 320 km from Dhaka. Please try to understand the actual meaning of Bengali and find out the complicated words and try to understand the actual meaning and parts of speech. So my dear all students, now let's see in the another slide. You see, here are two images. The sun focuses on. In the below you see, in our text, Kuakata is one of the unique spots which allow a visitor to watch both the sunrise and the sunset from the beach. That perhaps makes Kuakata one of the world's most attractive beaches. Please try to understand the actual meaning of Bengali and find out the complicated words and try to solve with parts of speech. Now let's see in another slide. Here we see three beautiful scenes. Do you think where it is located? Of course, you have to learn. Here is in our text, an excellent combination of the picturesque beauty, sandy beaches, blue sky, and the shimmering expanse of water of the Bay of Bengal makes Kuakata a must sought after tourist destination. Again I say, please find out the complicated word from your text and try to know the actual meaning of the sentences and find out the parts of speech and try to solve. So now let's see in the another slide. Now you see, here are three images or pictures. Please think about it. And now we see our text. Kuakata is truly a virgin beach and a sanctuary for migratory birds, fishing boats playing in the Bay of Bengal with colorful sails, surfing waves, and the lines of coconut trees add to it vibrant colors. Now let's see in another slide. Here we see some words. Here we see some words and synonyms. So here is the word of. So wonderful. So we should know the meaning of wonderful and its synonym. Beautiful, fine, flexible, etc. Now you see shimmering, glimmering, expel, unique, attractive, glimmering, vanish, distinctive. So please match the words and try to understand the actual meanings and parts of speech. Here we see a word, adorable. Here we see some words and synonyms. Sanctuary, asylum. Vibrant. Vibrant means dynamic. Devotee. Devotee means follower. Pilgrims. Pilgrim means traveler. Picturesque. Picturesque means charming. Please find out the words with your dictionaries and find out the actual meaning of the words and parts of speech and Bengali meaning. Here we see an image and in the below we see our text. So let's read. The name of Kuakata takes its origin from the story of a kua or well dug on the seashore by early Rakhine settlers for collecting drinking waters. Here we see an image of Kuakata, the creation of Kuakata and what is its origin. Of course you have to know. So now let's see in another slide. The Rakhine had landed on Kuakata coast after being expelled from Arakans by the Mughals. Please think about the image. Think about it. I try to understand clearly. Here we see single walk. You have to complete after reading your text. What is another name of Kuakata? Please write down the answer in your notebook. What is the distance of Kuakata from Dhaka? Please note down the answers from your notebook. Who are the main aborigines of Kuakata? Please note down the answer in your notebook. Here you see an image in the above hundreds years old Buddhist temples, and in the below the indigenous culture of the Hossain community. Let's see in the another slide. Kuakata is also a holy land for the Hindus and Buddhists. Each year, thousands of devotees come here to attend the festivals Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima. On the 2 days, pilgrims take holy path and enjoy going to the traditional fairs. Please read the sentences with Bengali meaning and find out the complicated words. I try to understand the lessons clearly. There is the similarity between the text and in the below in the two images. So here we see two festivals, Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima. The Hindus and Buddhists celebrate the two festivals. Here we see two images. Faruk. You know Faruk is very inevitable part for the students. You have to complete Faruk with your friends. Now today's Faruk is, where is Kuakata located? Where does the name Kuakata come from? What are some traditional events that take place in Kuakata? Evolution. Here, today's evolution is what is the most unique features of Kuakata beach? And would you like to visit Kuakata? Make a list of 3 things that you would like to do while in Kuakata. Yes, your homework. Now today's your homework is write a paragraph on Kuakata. Please complete your homework following paragraph on Kuakata. So thanks to all, thank you very much. So now today's lesson is end. Today's lesson is over. So staying home, you keep well. And thanks for upcoming Eid ul Adha. Enjoy Eid ul Adha. Thank you very much.